Hey everybody, welcome back. I just want to say big thanks to all the new subscribers that I picked up in the last week and a half since the interview with Sylvie. Really appreciate you guys getting on board here. I look to continue to have interesting people to speak with on the show as often as possible. And I just wanted to reiterate a few points to some of the newer subscribers that, the channel is kind of all about just following things that I learn as I learn them. And, I'm not perfect. I'm going to make more mistakes. I've already made a bunch in my life. And, hopefully we can all learn together. Anyways, that's kind of the point of it all. That's why I started it. And also I like to do giveaways, which I'm going to have one coming up this weekend. A little giveaway. Got something kind of special on the go. I've had a little help from a silver community friend who is a wonderful person, and I will be featuring that person in a little bit as well in the video I put up for this weekend. Also, big Litecoin fork. If you have Litecoin, you need to click the link in the video to follow what JSnip did. He put a nice little video on getting your stuff registered to make sure you're not going to miss out on the Litecoin fork. You don't have to wait anyway. If you're on an exchange, you're not sure, you never know how long it's going to take for them to get this stuff going. So you're going to want an Exodus wallet or a Litecoin wallet, and then it's pretty simple stuff to do. So make sure you've got all your stuff ready to go, backed up, and then it should be fairly seamless for you. I'm going to have the link to JSnip for his tutorial because it's really quick and easy. He does a great job at all this stuff. So if you're curious about what to do, then definitely just follow the video step by step. It's pretty straightforward stuff. And yeah, again, so stay tuned. We've got a giveaway coming up this weekend. And again, thank you all so much for joining the channel. And I will hope to see you all again maybe by Sunday. We got a holiday Monday, so see ya.